Have you ever wondered how a lowrider gets his paint job? This is going to be one. Now, this is a 1986 Buick Regal. This car is going to have metal flakes. It's going to have graphics. It's going to have a candy paint job. This car is going to be a show car. So guys, stay tuned, stick with me, and you're going to see how this car becomes a show car. Alright, hope you guys are going to enjoy this little series. Let's just get this show on the road, guys. Alright, stay tuned to my channel, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and here we go.